Jackie, and I am back with a tutorial using, I got this lovely look using one of these little sponge applicator that sometimes comes with shadows and gift sets and such. So if you want to see just how you can use one of these to get this type of eye look, then stay tuned and I'll show you how. Okay, so let's get started. Chances are, if you are using these little buggers, you probably received them in an eyeshadow or a gift set or something like that. So I got these in the Color Workshop gift set. So I'm going to use them with this Color Workshop eyeshadow palette that came in it. Makes sense, right? So let's get started. First, I'm going to start off with this color. And we're just gonna use these because that's the whole point in this video, is showing you that how to use these in case you are somebody who doesn't own any makeup brushes. So we're gonna use this as a transition. Oh my goodness. First I'm gonna put on eye primer. I almost forgot. We're gonna use E.L.F. eye primer because it's inexpensive and easy to get. It's like $2 you can find at Walmart. So we're gonna use that. Okay. Now we're gonna get started. So we're gonna go in with that brown. I don't know, can you see just a little? We're gonna go in here. Now with these, you probably have to go back in to the shadow quite a few times. The eyeshadow likes to stick to the applicator rather than going on your eye. So you don't want to tap off the excess, when you use these, because that excess is what is going to actually go on your eye. Whoops. You're going to want to really scrub it in there. Okay. So there is that. Now we're going to use the other side. And we're going to go in. We're going to do something simple today. We're going to go in with this color. We're going to use it in the crease and on the outer corner. So we're just going to flip it over and use the clean side. Let's see. Dirty side, clean side. All right, and we're going to go into that brown. Whoops, I tapped off the excess. Oh, look at that. Excess. Why do I keep saying excess? Oy. You're really going to want to kind of blend that out. Mostly, like, you're probably going to want to use your finger to blend that out because these aren't great for blending. So you're going to want to use your finger. Go in the crease there and then use your finger to kind of blend away into the transition shade. And that's gonna take a little bit of time to blend that with your finger. It's not as easy to do with a finger as it is a brush. So now we gotta go on the outer corner. We're gonna dab that so it's a little darker than the crease. And you're gonna wanna go in more than once, and you're really gonna wanna, you know, dab it in there. You want that color on your eye. So you can't just go do one time and expect it to show up, because it's not going to. Okay, so there's that. Okay, so now we're gonna go into this little shimmer color, but we're going to flip, use a very clean side, and we're still gonna wet it. You're still gonna wet it. So you just want to use a little water, saline solution, spray, I mean, anything wet pretty much. That can go near your eye, of course. You're gonna have to get that quite, you know, it's a sponge, so it soaks the water up. So you're gonna have to, you know, just kind of make sure it's wet. So now that that is wet, we go into the shimmer. And look at that, because it's wet. Now you go on to your lid. Just kind of dabbing it on. You're gonna want to do it more than once. More than once. You can't just, and it, because it makes that noise. You can't just swipe it and be like, color, because that's just, it's not gonna work that way. I mean, there'll be a little color, but it's gonna fade away fairly quickly, so you really want to kind of dab that on. See it? Do you see it? Do you see it? Now we'll do the other eye. So there's that. So there's that, and now we're gonna go back to the other side and with that dark brown and try to blend it into the shimmer pinkish and darken that corner. So back into the dark brown. And you're just gonna dab it on, blend it with your finger on the edges. The color's not really that dark. Not really. Kinda wish it was darker. Would have worked better if it was darker. Just kinda blend. Really wish that color was darker. Well, I guess if you got the ColourPop gift set, you'll have these other ones too. Let's find a darker shade that works better. We're gonna go into this beautiful rainbow colored one. we're gonna use this shade. We're gonna take the side with the shimmer, we're gonna flip it over. Not much darker. What's going on? What's going on? Here we go. It's a little darker. There's this like a line in here. Does not like shadow, swear. Doesn't like it. It's like, nope, you'll never get shadow on me. And I'm like, oh, but I will. You just wait and see. Back into the shimmer. Make sure it's really, oh yeah. Back into that light brown. Light brown. I went up too far. Wipe that away with a Kleenex. Well, get a brush. I need to wipe that off. Dust that off. So now we do liner. Where are you at? Color Workshop liquid eyeliner. Ooh, now you're gonna want to take that darker brown color that we used in the first place. And just on the tip, rub it under. There you go. And just go back and forth to blend it out. See, smoke out the bottom part. And now we do bottom eyeliner. And now you would curl your eyelashes, put on mascara. I prefer to pop on some lashes because now I'm addicted. And why is this not? Jackie, what do you do? Like, where did I'm gonna pop on some eyelashes, so I will be right back. So, lashes are on. Bottom lashes are all mascara'd. And now I'm gonna do a lip. I'm gonna use a Wet n Wild metallic lipstick that I have just been dying to try. Just been waiting till a good time to give it a go. If I can open it. It's Mega Last Liquid Catsuit Metallic Lipstick. And I Don't Desert You. And it is this beautiful, like dark red, burgundy. Oof, I can't wait to try this. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put it on. I'm not gonna line my lips because, well, I don't know if I have a liner that matches this, and yeah. So we're just gonna go for it. I put the mirror here, I can't. Okay. Oof, I'm nervous. Whew, that is, wow, dark, dark, dark. Look, it doesn't look that dark. Does it look? Look at this. Not the same. See, this is why I need a lip liner. This is why I use lip liner, because I'm not great at going on around the outside with a lipstick or a liquid lipstick or anything. So my lip shape is a little weird and it's not very straight. But I don't know if I like it. I kind of like it. I mean, it's dark, but it's cool. I do kind of like it. I don't know if it goes with this eye look though. Nah, we're gonna leave it. So that is today's video. Let's see. How'd I do? Not too shabby. So we only used one of these applicators, by the way. We used all 4 sides of it, but we only used one. So that's not too bad. So yeah, that is today's video. And if you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe, because I would love that if you subscribed. And if you want to know as soon as I upload a video, hit the bell and become part of the notification nation. So yeah, I hope you join me in my next video, and I also hope that you have a great day.